Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Competing. Today I am going to show you how to install and monitor web-based CCTV camera software. This software works for every CCTV camera device. The software name is Smart PSS. Now I'm going to download the software from the web. To download the software, go to your browser and write Smart PSS download. You will get the link to download it. By clicking the download button, the download will start. After completing the downloading, you just click on the downloaded file. The installation wizard we start the installation of the software. Please OK to continue the installation. After completing the installation, he will get two icons on the desktop. Just click on the Smart Phases icon, and you will get this interface. Click on the Allow Access to continue. Now you have to put the password here in the password box. And give the same password on the confirmation box. After that, you have to answer 3 security questions for the demonstration. I am selecting some questions and putting some answers in the answer box. This question is for your device security purposes. The starting configuration part has been completed. On this panel, you have to add your device. To add a device, give a name to your device. On the next option, click on the serial number. Now you have to insert the serial number of your device. You will find the serial number on the top sticker of the device, or you have to contact the vendor or administrator for the serial number. Put the username and password of the device that has been already added to your DVR system. Please contact your administrator or vendor about the username and password. After inserting all the data correctly, the device will online and you can see that the device has connected and started working. Here you can see several interfaces that are camera, network, event, storage, and system. From here you can modify and configure all of the configuration of your CCTV device. From here, I am going to see the live preview of my cameras. I have to select my device first, which I added some moments ago. I have 10 cameras. So, I have to select 16 cameras from the down right icon and you can see the live view of the cameras. You can select any camera individually. If you need to show all of the cameras at a time, you can see all of the cameras by clicking the options. I think you have learned a lot about the installation of a web-based CCTV camera. Thank you for watching the full video.